Okay, so here is how to send an email to all your parents. You get onto Portal, click on email, and then you want to, of course, make a new email. And need to add recipients. So we're going to pick students and parents. In this case, I'm going to pick all my classes. And I want to pick all my parents. So I'm going to click on just parents. And then which? I want to pick all of them. So at this point, it just tells you it's going to send it to these people, but not to these people, because there may be some parents who never signed up. So you hit OK. And now you just make your email. So, hi, hello. I'm not going to send this, but then you just do what you do. Gotta have a subject. And then you send your email. And that is it.